there can be two answers to that. One is according to the new method of CPI calculation, what would be the number we expect? I think we would expect a number below 4% for the whole year, but probably it's above 3%. There's a chance, and we do not know because there is still uncertainty. The U.S. economy has seen a positive recovery, early this year. Okay, and if of course, the European economy is stabilized, but we do not expect the advanced economies to grow very fast this year. It's still going to be subdued, and but the money issued by the United States, by European Union, and in the crisis time or in this recession time, are still flowing around. And because this is now a globalized age, therefore this money will be more channeled towards emerging economies. So we see inflation very high in India, in Brazil, and also very high in China, although the numbers may be much lower than India and Brazil. And so that probably is we call imported inflation due to the international environment is still a big issue. It may not go away, but to what extent this will be contained due to a shift of U.S. policy. If U.S. sees very positive growth in the first 1 or 2 quarters, maybe the U.S. is going to raise a little bit interest rate. If U.S. raise interest rate, that will be a huge signal for the world, and that may affect the imported inflation to a certain extent. But probably the chances are that U.S. would still maintain its low interest rate policy this year. As a result, the import inflation rates are still going to be relatively high in emerging economies, including China. And although we are having offsetting tightening monetary policy, I don't think it is enough to offset the imported inflation. So overall, the inflation rates, CPI inflation rates, even the ones announced by the government, would still be on the high side. In China, standard, say 3 to 4%. I say 2 answers. The second answer would be asking people, how they feel, about inflation. I think this year people in China will still feel that prices are increasing, in a way that you strongly feel it, and so inflation will remain in our daily life, I think, in 2011.